In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dark theme Tradingview setup. This quick change can make your charts easier on the eyes, improve contrast, and help you stay focused during longer trading sessions. First, open Tradingview. You can do this in your browser or through the desktop app. Give it a moment to load your workspace. If you use Tradingview regularly, your watch lists, charts, and layouts will appear just as you left them. Dark mode is a display preference, so applying it will keep your tools and studies in place. It simply changes how everything looks. Next, head to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a profile icon or a menu button there. Depending on your layout or screen size, it might look like your avatar, or it could be a simple menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click that to open the main drop-down menu. This menu is where Tradingview keeps quick access settings that affect the whole interface, making it the fastest way to adjust your theme without digging through deeper settings panels. Inside this drop-down, look for the dark theme toggle or switch. It's clearly labeled, and you should see it among the display or interface options. If you don't spot it immediately, take a slow scan down the list. Tradingview places it right within reach because it's a commonly used setting. When you find the dark theme option, click or tap the toggle to turn it on. As soon as you toggle it on, you'll notice the entire interface update instantly. Panels, toolbars, watch lists, and charts will shift to a darker palette. The chart background becomes deeper. Candles and indicators stand out with improved contrast, and the side panels adopt a muted tone that's easier on your vision in low-light environments. This change is global, so you won't need to adjust each chart individually. It's designed to help with comfort and clarity, especially if you are working late or using multiple monitors. Take a moment to scan your layout and confirm everything looks right. If any indicator colors are too subtle against the darker background, you can adjust those later within each indicator's settings. And if you ever want to switch back, you can return to the same menu and toggle dark theme off just as easily. That's it. Thanks for watching.